Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today we have a new phone, the POCO X3 NFC. For the hardware, it has a 732G Snapdragon processor, 6GB of RAM with 64GB of storage, 6.67 dot display size, 120Hz refresh rate, and 1080p resolution. With those things mentioned, it is only for 9,990 pesos since it was purchased on Lazada 11/11 sale. Without further ado, let's unbox and see what's inside, even though we have checked it earlier to make sure we have a legit phone delivered to us. And let's unbox it. Okay guys, and these are the things that came in the box. We have here the USB Type-C cable that came in the box for charging and data transfer. We have here the 33 watts power brick, which is for quick charging. And we have here a pre-jelly case as well that came in the box for protection in case we have dropped the phone so it won't shatter into pieces, and also help us with the fingerprint magnet of the phone, because the phone, as you can see, there's already a lot of fingerprint because we are trying to check this phone. But guys, look, the blue on this phone is actually stunning if you can see it clearly on the screen. I really like the blue on this one, and there's an accent, a stripe on the middle of this phone. And okay, on the bottom part of the phone, we have here the Type-C USB port for charging and data transfer, and a 3.5 port for our headphone or earphone, and bottom firing speaker as well. And we also have a speaker on the top for stereo experience on watching videos or listening to music. And of course, the camera on the front is a punch hole camera, as you can see here. Okay, and at the back we have an X-type camera. It is called an X-type because it looks like an X, if you can see that one. We have a 4 camera. We're going to check that one later and perform a test on how good the camera on this phone is. Okay, and the fingerprint scanner is on the side. Okay, and what else? And I think that's all. Okay, for this one, we have here the SIM card slot. I believe this is a dual SIM card or a hybrid, which is a SIM card and a micro SD. But we'll be checking that one later as well. And guys, the first thing we're going to do with this phone is test a game, a Mobile Legends game, and see how it performs on Mobile Legends. Okay guys, and for gaming, actually the graphics is already set on high and everything is activated. And guys, the details on gaming for this one is actually good. I'm really impressed. Even on maybe Clash, that's right, it's not lagging or anything. It's actually good. I believe we have set the refresh rate for this ML game at around 60 FPS because that is the only configuration available for this one. HFR mode is 60 frames per second. So we are playing on 60 frames. Wow, this is actually a good unit. And there you have it for your games, guys. guys. It's really good for gaming. I hope you can see it clear. Okay guys, and we have set up the phone and we're going to try the camera because basically a lot of people are using camera for their phone, TikTok and everything, posting it on YouTube, Instagram or any platform for social media. So we're going to try the camera for this phone. And there are settings, so let's just set allow. Using this up, then okay. Then okay guys, for the photo, we have here our toy, which is a small lizard and from Toy Story. I forgot her name. What is her name? Actually, I forgot her name, but let's try to take a photo of them. Wow! Hopefully the output is also good as well. This is photo. And I'm going also to try the portrait guys. For the portrait, is there a difference between the portrait and okay, and guys, I'll show you the portrait on the camera, and for now, let's try to see the front-facing camera, which I believe a lot of people are using selfie as well, and we're going to do a selfie on this phone. So, oh, we haven't activated the HDR yet, so let's try that one later. We have portrait, or let's the camera, guys. This is on portrait. One more, and a regular photo. Guys, I love this phone. I really like the camera for this one, and actually it's really good. And maybe let's try to capture some video as well for this toy. Oh, I remember her name. Her name is Bo Peep from Toy Story. Okay, and maybe let's try some video as well. It's so detailed. Okay, there are ring lights in there, but maybe let's try to check Poison Ivy or MJ. Guys, I love the camera. I'll be showing it on this side maybe. It's really good. There are other options as well for the photo. I haven't even tackled everything yet. There is a pro version. You can set the ISO, the automatic ISO, or any information for regarding that one. I won't be doing that for this video. But you have portrait, photo. What is more? You have clone. You have for vlog. I'm not sure what's that for. But there are a lot of things that you can do with this camera, and I think you can enjoy it. But for the performance, the basic performance, guys, I love this camera. I'm not kidding. As you have seen on the photo earlier, it's really good. I'm really happy for this one. It's a good buy for this one. We haven't even turned on the HDR yet. Maybe let's try one more time for the HDR. Maybe I'll have... I don't have any other toys here. So maybe let's try for HDR this 2. Is there a difference? I really can't tell the difference, but this one is for the HDR, guys. I love it. I love this phone, and guys, the performance is actually good. As you can see here, I haven't set up the Facebook for now, but the transition is actually good, and we haven't even opened the... Oh, we have opened the Google Chrome, and of course, let's try to check the video for this one as well, which is, let's try to play a YouTube video, my YouTube video, which is JK Chavez. Maybe let's try to play the Asus router, guys. So let's skip. I'll be skipping the commercial, but guys, please don't skip the ads. I'm earning from that one. Sorry. Okay. Let's see this one. I have set it to 1080p and try to decide for yourself if it is a good display phone. This is playing on 1080p, and guys, I really watch a lot of videos on my phone, on Netflix, YouTube. I really like a good display phone. For me, this is a best looking phone and best performance phone for 10,000 pesos, guys. I really like the phone. I really can't say anything negative about it. The only negative actually is the case. It's a plastic, but it doesn't matter because we always use a case for our phone. Like for this one, it's a jelly case, and even though we will be also buying a new case for this one for better protection for our phone if in case we drop it. And I think that's all, guys. I really like the phone. I really don't know what to say. I'm so happy with the price range. This is the first time I purchased a mid-entry or mid-level phone that perform as good as this one. I have a P30 Pro. Well, it's a P30 Pro. It's expensive, more than 30 or 40,000 pesos. Guys, you won't go wrong with this phone. Trust me. I really like the phone. If you are on a tight budget, this one is really good. And guys, I purchased it on Lazada. If you like the video, you can try to check it on Lazada. I'm not sure if they still have their sale for 9,990 pesos. And they also have a 1 to 8 gig of storage. I'm not really sure if it's just 12,000 or something, guys. But for me, for a budget range phone, this is actually good. I'm not endorsing it. This is not paid review or sponsored. Go for this one if you're on a tight budget. And thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button as well. And guys, stay safe and have a great day. Bye!